If you're just getting started, click on the Add Product in the onboarding flow to be redirected to the Product Configuration menu. You can also navigate to this menu through the dashboard. Click on the Products tab in the navigation bar on the left. Then click the Create Product button in the upper right corner. In the Product Configuration menu, start by giving your product a name and a description. In this case, let's create a meal kit subscription box that contains fresh ingredients and recipes to be delivered weekly. Next, click on the type of charge you wish to add to this plan. For the meal kit subscription, let's select a recurring charge. Next, select a pricing model. Let's go with a flat fee. Then choose the billing frequency, weekly in our case, and click the Next button. Attach a list price for the box. Check the taxable box if applicable and save this configuration. Review your plan pricing summary. You can use the cross button to delete a pricing configuration and use the Add Pricing button to add multiple pricing configurations to the same plan. And voila! You've created a subscription plan.